Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasilikis. In this video we are going to be unboxing the Essie Advent Calendar. This one retails for 19 euros and we have 4 products. It is a mini advent calendar and Essie has also released a full-size advent calendar. I'm going to be unboxing that one as well. This one has a very cute and festive design. You can start unboxing this one at the end of November, every Sunday until Christmas Eve. Of course, if you want to unbox all of the doors in one day, we don't judge here. The packaging reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Advent Calendar. Adorable! So let's start with day number 1. It is a nail polish. This one is the Treat Love and Color Strengthener in the shade 160, ready to rumble. This one is a full size. I also have another one, so it is the same. I'm not very familiar with Essie nail polishes. I just have 2 of them from other advent calendars. This is such a signature color for Christmas. We have 13.5 milliliters, just so you know. I'm super curious to try this formula on my nails. And let's go to door number 2 here. This one is smaller. Maybe we have a primer, a base coat. This one is a mini base coat. The shade is Strong Start. It has a very nice brush to cover your nails. Moving on to day number 3. This one is also a small box, so maybe we'll have another mini nail polish. Oh, it's a full size. This one is the nail polish in the shade Romper Room. We have again 13.5 milliliters. It is a full size. This one can also look very nice with the other shade that we got. Up next, day number 4. This one is definitely a full size. This one is the nail polish in the shade Zip Me Up. This one is a little bit separated. We have a very light shade and it is like duochrome. I think this one is very light for Christmas. I would prefer some different colors for this advent calendar. However, this is my personal preference. The overall value of this advent calendar is around 30 euros. In Germany, Essie nail polishes are around 8 euros. I know that in some other countries are more expensive. I don't know how many stars to give to this one. I am between 4.5 stars or 5 stars. Just because I didn't like the colors. Let me know in the comments how many stars you are giving to this advent calendar. And you can watch next the Bobbi Brown advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!